to someone's neck. Don't drink her potions. She'll kiss your neck with no emotion. When she's me